package came. Let's open it up. Ooh, boy. Two packages. We bought it from TikTok. And let's open up this one. Where is this one? Satisfied. Let's open it up.
Color pink.
This color pink is for my baby. And this one for me. Let's open it up. It's our smartwatch. We push a little bit down here. There we go. Slide it. And I watch. Ooh. Yes. And right here, you open the watch right here. And you got some to listen to some music.
Wow.
There's a watch as well. And then you close it. Satisfied watch. And you can choose English, Spanish, all the language. Pins. You push the little pins and you put them inside. So this goes right here. And